Welcome to this video tutorial series for eProject Express, also known as ePX. In this series, we will present a set of short videos to help you navigate and use the ePX tool. You can see all of the videos in this series on our help and documentation page at eprojectbuilder.lbl.gov/help. In this video, we will review how to register and log in to ePX. Before you can get started using ePX, you will first need to register for an account. Go to eprojectbuilder.lbl.gov and click the Request an Account link at the bottom of the login window on the homepage. Complete the information associated with the account. For accounts on the main site, you will need an organizational email. For security reasons, Gmail and other personal email accounts are not allowed. If your organization requires multiple people to have access to the same ePX projects, consider creating an organization-level email account that can be accessed by all of your team members, such as epbteam@company.com. Using one centralized email address for your ePX account will allow all of your team members to access ePX using the same login credentials. Next, select the accounts you want to access. The main site is where real data is entered into the ePX database. The test site allows users to explore the tool without ingesting real data into the database. For access to the test site, you will need to provide a secondary email address. This secondary email address can be a Gmail or other personal email address. Next, choose the correct user role for how you plan to use ePX. Project owner, customer, agency accounts are designed for the project owner or customer, including agencies, facility owners, and managers. Users with this account type can initiate projects and enter project data. This role is referred to as the project initiator. ESCO, or Energy Service Company users, can initiate projects and enter project data, and can apply for accreditation with the National Association for Energy Service Companies, known as NIASCO, or apply to be a U.S. Department of Energy Qualified Energy Service Company. This role is referred to as the project builder. The other or third-party facilitator account type is designed for project viewers, who can be invited by project initiators or project builders to view project data for approved projects. But this account type cannot initiate projects, enter, edit, or approve project data. If you are a utility engaging in UESC, you will be given a Project Builder account type. Next, pre-select all of the applicable market segments in which you will be working. And don't forget to let us know how you heard about the eProject Builder eProject Express platform. Once you have entered all of the required information, click the Request Account button at the bottom of the page. Account requests are generally reviewed within 24 business hours of the request. Once your account has been approved, you will receive an email notification with login instructions and a temporary password. Once your account has been granted, you are ready to log in to ePX. ePX uses two-step authentication. Every time you log in, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to enter this verification code in order to log in. When logging in for the first time, you will be asked to agree to the terms of service, and you will be prompted to change your temporary password to a permanent password. Once you are logged into ePX, you can choose from several options shown on the homepage. Initiate a new project, manage or view existing projects in your portfolio, download the latest ePX project data template, or generate reports. Also on the homepage, you will see a selection of menu items at the top, where you can access the portfolio page, the analysis and reporting feature, view project statistics, and go to the help and documentation page. The help and documentation page contains additional training resources such as training and informational videos and recorded webinars, documentation such as user guides, and links to the ePX project data templates. To see all of the videos in this series, see the training and informational videos section on our help and documentation page at eprojectbuilder.lbl.gov/help.